A comprehensive analysis of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations versus Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations, or D365 FNO, represents a paradigm shift from its predecessor, Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 R2. It reflects broader technological trends toward cloud computing, modular architecture, and seamless integration. This report examines the structural, functional, and operational differences between the two platforms, emphasizing how D365 FNO addresses the limitations of AX 2012 R2 while introducing transformative capabilities for modern enterprises. Hey everyone, if you want more content like this, please do me a favor and hit the like and subscribe button. Now back to the video. The most fundamental distinction lies in deployment. D365 FNO is a cloud-native solution hosted on Microsoft Azure, whereas AX 2012 R2 operates primarily on premises. This shift eliminates the need for physical servers, reducing infrastructure costs and complexity. It also significantly eases the workload for the IT department, as they no longer need to manage and maintain physical servers, data centers, and IT personnel for server upkeep. Instead, D365 FNO subscriptions bundle infrastructure costs into predictable operational expenses. For example, on-premises, AX implementations incur average server costs of $25,500 annually, while D365 FNO's cloud model transfers hosting responsibilities to Microsoft. The cloud architecture also enhances scalability. D365 FNO dynamically allocates resources based on demand, while scaling AX 2012 R2 necessitates manual hardware upgrades. Azure's global data centers enable multi-geo deployments in D365 FNO, ensuring compliance with regional data residency laws, a feature not present in AX 2012 R2. Maintenance and upgrades. AX 2012 R2 relies on manual updates involving hot fixes, cumulative updates, and service packs, which often conflict with customizations and require downtime. By contrast, D365 FNO delivers automated, biannual updates with minimal disruption. Critical security patches are deployed monthly, and organizations can test updates in sandbox environments before production deployment. This sharply contrasts with AX's labor-intensive upgrade process, where merging custom code with Microsoft's updates risks system instability. Licensing and cost structures. Subscription versus perpetual licensing. AX 2012 R2 follows a perpetual licensing model requiring upfront payments for server licenses and client access licenses, or CALs. For example, a single AX server license costs approximately $240 with additional CALs priced per user. Conversely, D365 FNO uses a subscription-based model that charges per user, device, or tenant. A base license such as finance or supply chain management starts at $180 per user per month, with add-on licenses for additional modules at reduced rates. This shift from capital to operational expenditure benefits organizations seeking financial flexibility and ensures a predictable and manageable cost structure. Total cost of ownership, or TCO. On-premises, AX deployments incur hidden costs such as server maintenance, energy consumption, and IT staffing. According to Microsoft partners, D365 FNO's cloud model reduces TCO by 30 to 40% over 5 years. For instance, AX's annual infrastructure costs average $25,500, while D365 FNO's subscription includes Azure hosting, security, and automatic updates. Customization and extensibility. Overlayering versus extensions. AX 2012 R2 customizations rely on overlaying, where developers modify core application layers. This approach complicates upgrades, as Microsoft's updates often overwrite custom code, necessitating rework. D365 FNO introduces extensions, which sit atop the base code without altering it. Extensions enable seamless upgrades, as Microsoft preserves custom logic during updates. For example, a manufacturing firm using AX might spend weeks reconciling custom production modules after an update, whereas D365 FNO's extension model eliminates this risk. Development tools: AX 2012 R2 development utilizes MorphX and X++, while D365 FNO employs Visual Studio and Azure DevOps for modern CI/CD pipelines. Integration with Power Platform further permits low-code customization through Power Apps, thereby reducing reliance on developers for minor adjustments. Security and compliance, encryption and access controls. D365 FNO enhances security with Azure Active Directory, enabling conditional access policies and multi-factor authentication. This significantly improves data security, a critical concern for modern enterprises. AX 2012 R2, which relies on on-premises Active Directory, lacks granular cloud-based controls. D365 FNO also encrypts data at rest and in transit using AES 256, surpassing AX's legacy encryption standards. This level of data security is vital for organizations, especially those operating in highly regulated industries. Regulatory compliance. D365 FNO supports sovereign cloud deployments for sectors such as government and healthcare, adhering to GDPR, HIPAA, and FedRAMP. AX 2012. R2's on-premises model necessitates that organizations implement compliance measures manually, resulting in increased audit risks. Integration and analytics. Microsoft ecosystem integration. D365 FNO natively integrates with Power BI, Teams, and Office 365, enabling real-time analytics and collaboration. For example, sales teams can generate quotes in Outlook using embedded D365 data, a feature absent in AX. Integrating AX 2012 R2 with SharePoint and Excel requires custom connectors, which limits agility. Advanced analytics. D365 FNO incorporates AI and machine learning for predictive insights, including demand forecasting and cash flow modeling. AX 2012 R2 depends on static reports, requiring third-party tools for advanced analytics. Power BI, embedded in D365, enables users to drill into transactional data directly from dashboards, enhancing decision-making. User experience and mobility, modern interface. D365 FNO features a responsive, web-based UI accessible from any device, offering a seamless and comfortable user experience. In contrast, AX 2012 R2's thick client requires Windows installations, which limits its accessibility. Role-specific workspaces in D365 personalize dashboards, while AX's rigid menus hinder productivity. Mobile capabilities. D365 FNO's mobile app empowers users to perform approvals, inventory checks, and time tracking on smartphones, providing flexibility and control that AX 2012 R2 lacks without costly customizations. Conclusion: Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations marks a generational leap over AX 2012 R2, addressing its predecessor's scalability, cost, and agility limitations. D365 FNO empowers organizations to innovate rapidly while reducing operational overhead by leveraging cloud-native architecture, customizable extensions, and AI-driven analytics. With AX 2012 R2's extended support concluding in 2023, migrating to D365 FNO is not just advisable, but essential for enterprises aiming to thrive in a digital-first economy. Future developments will likely enhance integration with Azure AI and IoT, further solidifying D365's role as the ERP of choice for modern businesses.